Good morning students. In the previous session we have started practice set 34 subtraction of algebraic expressions. In that we have completed first sum from practice set 34. Now today we will start with the second sum from practice set 34. So this is the second sum. Algebraic expressions are given, you will subtract the algebraic expressions. Now the first algebraic expression is 5x plus 4y plus 7z, and the second algebraic expression is x plus 2y plus 3z, as you can see here. Now the first step is we will write down both the algebraic expressions in the bracket and in between minus sign, as we are doing subtraction of algebraic expression. So in between you will write down minus sign. Now what is the second step? Yes, we will remove the brackets and the first algebraic expression we will write down as it is, but for the second algebraic expression the signs inside the brackets will change. Okay, so this is x is minus x. See here, the first algebraic expression 5x plus 4y plus 7z, that we are written as it is. Now for the second algebraic expression the signs inside the bracket will change. Here it is x, so it becomes minus x. Plus 2y we will write down minus 2y, and plus 3z we will write down, that is minus 3z. Why the signs will change? Because outside the bracket there is minus sign. So minus plus is what? Minus plus is minus, as you can see here. Again this minus plus is minus, so we are written here minus sign. Hope you are clear with this. Now the next step is what we will do? Yes, together. So which are the like terms here? Now the like terms are this 5x. Yes, while writing terms you will write down that like terms with their signs. So 5x minus x. Now the second like term is plus 4y and minus 2y. That also will write down together, plus 4y minus 2y. Yes. Now the third like term is plus 7z minus 7z minus 3z. Okay. Now we will solve the bracket. 5x minus x. 5x minus x means 1x. So 5x minus 1x is what? 4x. So here it is 4x. In between plus sign, that we will write down as it is. Now 4y minus 2y. 4y minus 2y. 4 minus 2, that is 2, and we will write down the variable as it is, that is y. Now in between again the plus sign. Now we will solve bracket, that is 7z minus 3z. 7 minus 3, the answer is 4, and the variable is z, that we will write down as it is. So the answer is 4z here. Okay, so what is the answer? 4x plus 2y plus 4z is the answer. Okay, hope you are clear with this. Once again we will revise. What is the first step? We will write down both the algebraic expressions in the bracket and in between we will write down minus sign. Yes, then what is the next step? In the next step, this is the first step, we have written both the algebraic expressions in the bracket and in between minus sign. In the second step we will remove the brackets. First algebraic expression we have written as it is. For the second algebraic expression the signs inside the bracket will change. Here it is plus x, so it becomes minus x. Here it is plus 2y, so it is minus 2y, and here it is plus 3z, so it is minus 3z. Okay, now the next step is what? We will write down like terms together. So 5x, what is the like term for 5x? That is minus x. So 5x minus x, plus 4y minus 2y, so plus 4y minus 2y, and plus 7z minus 3z, plus 7z minus 3z. Okay, is what? 5x minus x, that is 4x. 4y minus 2y, that is 2y, and 7z minus 3z, that is 4z. Okay, so the answer is 4x plus 2y plus 4z is the answer. Okay, hope you are clear with the second sum. It is same like addition of algebraic expressions, only while writing the second step you write the signs properly. Okay, in the addition the signs inside the bracket will not change, but in the subtraction, for the second algebraic expressions the signs inside the brackets will change. Okay, and you know how to write down like terms together. Like terms means what? The terms which are having same variables with the same power, they are called as like terms. Okay, now we'll start with the third sum. Yes, this is the third sum from practice set 34. The first algebraic expression is 14x square plus 8xy plus 3y square, and the second algebraic expression is 26x square minus 8xy minus 17y square. Okay, so let's start now. First step is what? We will write down both the algebraic expressions in the bracket and in between minus sign. So this is the first algebraic expression and this is the second algebraic expression, and in between minus sign, as we are doing subtraction of algebraic expression. If we are doing addition of algebraic expression, we will write down plus sign. Okay, now the next step is what? Yes, we will write down first algebraic expression as it is. Okay, no need to put the brackets now. Okay, now for the second algebraic expressions, the signs inside the bracket will change. Here it is plus 26x square, so it becomes minus 26x square, right? This is minus 8xy, so this is now we are writing it as plus 8xy. Why it is plus 8xy? Because outside the bracket there is a minus sign, so minus minus it becomes plus. So here it is plus 8xy. Now the third term, that is minus 17y square. So this we are writing it as plus 17y square, because outside the bracket there is a minus sign, minus minus it becomes plus, so plus 17y square. Hope you are clear till second step. In the first step we are written both the algebraic expression in the bracket in between minus sign. Now in the second step we will write down the first algebraic expression as it is, and for the second algebraic expression the signs inside the bracket will change. Plus sign it becomes minus, and minus it becomes plus. Okay, now what is the next step? Yes, we will write down the like terms together. Now which are the like terms here? See, 14x square, the like term for 14x square is what? Minus 26x square. Do not write only 26x square or plus 26x square, it is minus 26x square. So 14x square minus 26x square, this is the first like term. Okay, now the second, that is plus 8xy plus 8xy, that also we will write down together. Plus 8xy plus 8xy. See here, this in between we are written plus sign. This is 8xy, the sign for 8xy is what? Plus, so that we are written it here, right? Now the next is plus 3y square, so here it is plus 3y square and plus 17y square, plus 17y square. So we are written all the like terms in the bracket together. Now we can do, or we can solve the brackets. Now first we will solve the first bracket, 14x square minus 26x square. 14x square minus 26x square. So 26 minus 14, the answer is 12, but you will not write down plus 12x square, the answer is minus 12. Why minus? Because which is the bigger number, 14 or 26? 26 is the bigger number. So what is the sign for 26? That is minus. So the answer is minus 12x square. We are doing subtraction here. Here we are doing subtraction and we are writing the bigger number sign. So 14 minus 26 is 12 and the bigger number sign, that is minus. So minus 12x square. Variable we are writing it as it is. So x square we are written. Okay. Now we will solve the second bracket, that is 8xy plus 8xy. 8xy plus 8xy is what? 8 plus 8, 16xy. So here it is 16xy. And the third bracket, that is 3y square plus 17y square. 3 plus 17, that is 20, and y square we are written as it is. So what is the answer? Minus 12x square plus 16xy plus 20y square. Okay, hope you are clear with this. Now we'll start with the next sum. Yes, now this is fifth one. 4x plus 16z, and the second algebraic expression is 19y minus 14z plus 16z. Now what is the first step? Yes, we will write down both the algebraic expressions in the bracket and in between minus sign, right? So 4x plus 16z is the first algebraic expression, and the second algebraic expression is 19y minus 14z plus 16z, and in between minus sign, right? Now what is the next step? Yes, we will remove the brackets. First algebraic expression we will write down as it is, 4x plus 16z. Now for the second algebraic expression, while writing the second algebraic expressions, the signs inside the brackets will change. Here it is plus 19y, so we are writing it as minus 19y. Now minus 14z we are writing it as plus 14z, and plus 16z we are writing it as minus 16z. And why the signs will change? Because outside the bracket there is a minus sign. So minus minus, this is plus, and minus plus is what? Minus. I hope you remember the signs which I have given. Okay, so minus minus plus, and minus plus is minus. Right, now the next step is what? We will write down like terms together. So which are the like terms here? Now the like terms are 4x and minus 16x. So first bracket we will write down 4x minus 16x. Now the second one, that is plus 16z and plus 14z, that also we will write down together. And minus 19y we will write down as it is, because there is no like term with minus 19y. Is there any like term? No. So minus 19y we will write down separately as it is. Okay, now we will solve the brackets. There are two brackets, 4x minus 16x. So 4x minus 16x. Now the answer is 16 minus 4 is, right, 12, and we will write down minus sign. Why minus sign? Because which is the bigger number, 4 or 16? 16 is the bigger number. And what is the sign for 16? Minus. So answer is minus 12x. Now we will solve the second bracket in between plus sign, that we will write down 16z plus 14z. Now do the addition. 16 plus 14, answer is, yes, 30z, 3030z. Okay, and minus 19y we will write down as it is. Why? Because there is no like term with minus 19y, so that we will write down as it is. So the answer is minus 12x plus 30z minus 19y. Okay, hope we are clear with this sum. Once again we will revise. In the first step we have written both the algebraic expressions as it is, in between minus sign, right? Now in the second step we will remove the bracket, and while removing the bracket, first algebraic expression we will write down as it is, but for the second algebraic expressions the signs inside the bracket will change. Why it will change? Because outside the bracket there is a minus sign. So minus minus it becomes plus, and minus plus is minus. And here also 19y, is there any sign? This is plus, so this is also minus plus is what? Minus. So here we are writing minus 19y, right? So this is the second step. Then the next step is what? We will write down like terms together, right? And then we will solve the brackets. We will get the final answer. So what is the final answer? Minus 12x plus 30z minus 19y. Now we will see the next. Yes, this one, some fourth one which I have not solved, which I have not explained, that you will solve by your own in your classwork. Okay, so this is the homework question, practice set 34, the fourth sum. Write down this question. The first algebraic expression is 6x square plus 7xy plus 16y square, and the second algebraic expression is 16x square minus 17xy. This is fourth sum from practice set 34. So you will subtract this. Okay, subtraction of algebraic expression. 6x square plus 7xy plus 16y square, 16x square minus 17xy. This is the fourth sum. You will solve this by your own in your classwork. Okay, so here we have completed practice set 34, subtraction of algebraic expression. So till now in this lesson we have completed addition of algebraic expressions and subtraction of algebraic expressions. I hope you are clear with this. So today we will stop till here. In the next session we will start with the next concept. Thank you so much.